Hi everyone, I decided to make a second video how to upload a 360 sphere panorama to Facebook, as some people was facing problems during the steps of my first video. So in this video we still use Google Street View app, but in a different way, and also I will show you how to take a 360 panorama using your phone. And if the app doesn't work for you, don't worry, I got another solution. Not only that, but at the end I will tell you about an amazing app, how to make tiny planets, or how to make your 360 photo as a video. So let's start. You took your 360 panorama photo using camera, phone or drone. In this case, I will use my recent 360 sphere photo which I took at Primrose Hill with my drone, and I got a vlog about it if you want to check it out. After you transfer that photo to your phone, go to Google Street View app, press create, and import your 360 photo. Press on the photo, press again on the image, press share, share privately, choose Facebook, and you got your 360 photo ready to be posted. If you don't got a drone, you can do that with your phone. Go again to Google Street View app, press the photosphere option, start following the white circle until you cover the white spaces. After you're done, do the same method to share it on Facebook or save it to your phone. Now, as an alternative way, if the app doesn't work for you, you can go directly through a website called nadirpatch.com, and from there you don't need any app for it. Upload your panorama photo to the website, download it on your phone, and now you can post that picture straight on the Facebook as a 360 sphere and not as a flat image. Time for that cool app that I mentioned at the beginning. It's called Theta Plus, which, by the way, my phone is an Android, but for iPhone users I think this will not be available after December 2021. Now look what you can do with this app. Choose your pano photo, press edit still image, and this is the fun part. You have a mirror ball. You can create tiny planets here, and if you go to animation, you can get creative with different options to make an amazing video. And when you're done, you simply press save and share wherever you want. I'm not sure if I forgot something, guys. I tried to cover as much things as possible. I hope you found it useful, and if you got any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will try to help you out. Until next time, have a nice day, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.